classroom.
So hi friends, how are you all feeling? Staying safe at home? Okay, do you all remember what we have learned in the previous class? Shall we revise? Okay, so tell me what all we have learned in the previous class. Let Okay, it's not hearing. Tell it loudly. Ah yes, we have learned about 4-digit numbers. Okay, and what all other things we have learned in the previous class? Ah yes, we have learned how to construct a pattern, how to complete the patterns. All these we have learned. And some other thing also we have learned. Do you all remember? Do you all remember? Ah yes, very good. Ah yes, we have learned to write 1000 as sum of two numbers. Ah yes. So let us learn as continuation for the previous class. Okay. So for this class we can learn how to write 1000 as a sum of three numbers. Okay. In previous class we have learned how to write 1000 as sum of two numbers, and in this class we are going to learn how to write 1000 as sum of three numbers. Okay. So how will you write 1000 as sum of three numbers? So I will give you one hint. The first I will say one example. The rest three you are going to do it. Okay. So if I am taking three numbers 80. Okay. So we can write 1000 as sum of 850, 100 and 50. Is it correct? Just find the sum and just check whether we all are getting 1000 as the sum, 850, 100 and 50. Just add and find the answer first. Are you all getting? Ah yes, you all are getting the sum as 1000. Okay, so let us consider some other examples. Okay, so if I am giving you one number 800, you have to find the sum as sum of three numbers should be 1000. Okay, so if I am giving you this first number is 800, so what will be the next two numbers? Ah yes, 800 I have given you. Then which all numbers? If you put which all numbers, you will get the sum as 1000. Ah yes, very good. If you add 100 two times, that is 800 plus 100, you will get 900. Then one more 100 if you add, you will get the answer as 1000. Very good. So let us take some other example. That is, if I am giving you two numbers, that is 925 and 50. Okay, if I am giving you two numbers 925 and 50, if you add these two numbers, the sum won't be 1000. You should add one more number to get the sum as 1000. So which will be the next number then? Just find it out. Add this. So when you add 925, 50 and 25, you will be getting the answer as 1000. Okay. So now you have to fill three numbers. Take three numbers in such a way that the sum you should get as 1000. Okay, so just find it out. So when you take three numbers, the sum should be equal to 1000. You can take any three numbers. Okay, do it by your own. Did you got the answer? Ah yes. Okay, some told me the answers. So if I first number I am taking as 500. So which will be the next two numbers then? The first number, if I am taking 500, then which will be the next two numbers? Ah yes, when we add 250 twice, that is 250 plus 250 is 500, and 500 plus 500 is 1000. Okay, this is one method. You can take other numbers also to get 1000 as the sum. So can you take some other numbers then? By starting from 500 itself, you can take some other numbers. Okay, so just take it. Ah yes, when you add 500 to 300. Okay, then 500 plus 300, 800. Then which will be the third number then? Yes, 2. So when you add 500, 300, 200 together, you will get the sum as 1000. Is it very interesting? Yes. So after this class, you should take some other numbers. Okay, 3-digit numbers. Then take 3 numbers and the sum should be 1000. Okay. So after this class, you are going to find 5 such examples. Sum up all the 3 numbers, the answer should be 1000. Okay. Are you all feeling very tired? Yes. You all are getting very tired. Can we play one game? We can learn through one game. Okay. So the name of the game is card game. Okay. So look here. Teacher has taken 4 cards here. Okay. 4 cards. Which are the colors of the cards given here? Yes. Red. Then green. Then blue. Yes. Then yellow. Okay. So these are the 4 cards. Just imagine that I am putting these cards, folding and putting these cards into a big box. Okay. And I am taking the cards. I should take 8 cards from it. Okay. By closing the eyes, I am taking 8 cards from this without looking the color. Okay. And one more thing, in this game, red color means you will be getting 1000 points. Okay. And for green, you will be getting 100 points. And for blue, you will be getting 10 points. And for yellow card, you will be getting 1 point. Okay, so I will repeat the points one more. If you are getting red, 1000 points. Green, 100 points. Blue, 10 points. And yellow, 1 points. Okay, so let's start game. Here, I have not taken so much of cards. Just imagine that so many cards are here. And I have taken 3 red cards, 3 green cards, 1 blue card and 1 yellow card. So how many points I will get? Can anyone say? So red is having 1000 points, green is having 100 points, blue is having 10 and yellow is having 1 point. So I have taken red and green 3 each and blue and yellow 1 each. Okay. So what is the total points I am getting? Yes. So 3 cards I have taken. 1 card is getting 1000 points. So for all the 3 cards I will get 3000 points. Then what about green? Green is having 100 points for 1 card. So I have taken 3 green cards. So what is the score there? Yes. 3 into 100, that is 300 points. Then blue I have taken only 1. So 10 points. And yellow also 1 card, so 1 point. Okay, so altogether what is the marks I have got? Yes, you should, to find that you should add all these values, that is 3000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 1. So what is my point? How much point I have got? Yes, 3311 points I got. Okay, in the same manner, just you try to say some other numbers. Okay, if you are taking some other number of cards, the points may vary according to the number of cards you have taken. Okay, now you can see one box there. In the same card game, Arun and his friends has played this games and collected several cards, and you have to find the number of points. Just look at the number of cards, multiply the cards with the corresponding points, then sum up, you will get the answer. Okay, I will give you time, you are going to find the answer now. So, have you all done, children? Okay, now in the screen you can see one table. Okay, Arun and his friends, that is Arun, Mary, Fatima, Joy, Usha and Jafar played the game. Okay, in this game they all taken some set of cards, and you're going to find the corresponding points they have got. So Arun has taken one red card, then 3 green cards, 2 blue, 2 yellow. Okay, so what will be the points? That is, Arun has taken one red card, 3 green, 2 blue and 2 yellow. So yes, what is its points? Total 1322 points. Okay, so in the screen you can see they can only take 8 cards. Each person can take only 8 cards, and Mary has taken one red card, 7 green, and so 1 plus 7 is already 8 cards, so she can't take any other cards. Okay, so 1 red card and 7 green cards. So what will be the score? Yes, 1 into 1000 is 1000, and 7 green card gets 100 points. So 7 into 100, 700. So altogether 1700 points. Okay, now we can see how much point did Fatima gets. Okay, Fatima has taken one red card and 7 yellow cards. So Fatima has taken one red card and 7 yellow cards. So red card means she will be getting 1000 points. She has only taken one, so she will be getting 1000. Then 7 yellow cards she has taken, so 7 points. So altogether how much points she has scored? Yes, 1007. Okay, 1007. Now Jafar has taken one red card, 2 blue card and 5 yellow card. 1000, then 20 and 5 yellow card. That means one card is getting 1 point, so 5 points. Okay, so altogether he is getting 1025 points. Now what about Usha? Usha has taken 2 red cards, then and 6 blue cards. So Usha has taken 2 red cards and 6 blue cards. So Usha is getting how much points? Yes, 2 red cards are there. One card is getting 1000 points. So 2 into 1000, 2000, and 6 into 10 points. Okay, so blue card is having 10 points. So Usha has scored how much? 2060 points. And what about Joy? Joy has taken 2 red cards and 6 yellow cards. Okay, so 2 red card means 2000 points and 6 yellow card means 6 points. So 2006 points. Okay, from this what can you observe? So according to the cards they have taken, they have got different scores. Okay, and in this who has got the highest score? Who scored first prize? Look at the scores they have scored. Who? Yes, Usha has scored highest mark. And who has got the least marks? Who has got? Yes, Fatima has got least marks. Okay, is it very interesting? Now you are got the scores they have got, and you're going to arrange these numbers starting from smaller number to the bigger number. Okay, so how will you arrange the numbers in ascending order? When you arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger, it is called as ascending order. So when you arrange, how will you arrange this in ascending order? Yes, from these given scores, you should arrange these numbers in ascending order. So when you arrange, look at the numbers in the place values. Okay, so since all these are 4-digit numbers, look at the number in the thousands place and just find which are the least numbers, and from that you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so all got 1000 points. Just look at first, we are looking at those who have got 1000 points. Okay, so who all got? Arun, Mary, Fatima and Jafar. Okay, so Arun, Mary, Fatima and Jafar scored 1000 something points. So from that, who got the least point there? Who? Yes, Fatima has scored the least point. Okay, so after Fatima, that is 1007, which number will be coming? Yes, Jafar's. Okay, Jafar's number, that is 1025. Then which number will be coming? Yes, Arun, that is 1322. Then who? Then Mary, that is 1700. Now move on to the number starting with 2. Okay, so which is the next number coming then? Yes, that is Joy, and after that Usha's number. Okay, so from this it is easy to find that who scored? Fatima has scored the least mark and Usha has scored the highest scores. Okay, now is it very interesting? So when you get free time, just take this kind of papers, just color. Okay, according to this. Okay, red will be having 1000 point, then green will be having 100 point, then blue 10 point, and yellow 1 point. Okay, and you should play with your family. Okay, just ask your mama, papa and your sister or brothers come and sit with you and let us play a interesting game. Okay, and you should say the rules also. Okay, what are the rules? Each person can take only 8 cards. Okay, and the cards should be taken in such a way that your eyes should be closed. Okay, don't look and take the cards. So close your eyes and take the cards and play this game. Okay, so each person can 8 cards and you should close your eyes and take the cards. Okay, and after taking the cards you should find the scores and find the winner. So I think you all will play with your family. You all know how to write or how to find the score. Okay, when these numbers are given and the place value. So just think that yellow is having 1 point. Okay, so that is 1 is in the ones place and blue is having 10 points. So tens place, blue card means tens place, and then green is having 100 points. That means green is in hundreds place, and red is having 1000. So red will be in thousands place. So by assigning the place values, you will be getting the 4-digit number. Okay. Now from the numbers, you know how to find the score. And what about if the score is given? Can we do vice versa also? Okay, yes, we can do. Okay, so shall we start? Now we shall study how to find the number when the scores are given. Using this game itself we can find. Okay, so just imagine that this Usha has got the highest score now. So Usha was proud, went to his friends and told that I and my friends played one game, card game, and I have scored the highest mark and I have got this marks. Okay, she was saying very proudly, and the other friends who was hearing about this game told that we want also to play games. So shall you tell and give? Okay, but Usha was a clever girl. So what did Usha done? Usha has played like this way. Usha told that you should get this much of scores. Okay. To get the score, one person can only take 8 cards. By closing your eyes, you should take the card. These are the 2 conditions. And if you are getting this much scores, and Usha has allotted scores also to each person. So Usha's friends was Achu, Johnny, Rani and Jaya. Okay, so now these 4 guys was going to play the game, and the condition was little bit changed from the condition where Usha has played. Okay, Usha has changed the condition like this. One person can take only 8 cards and you should close the eyes, and one more condition Usha gave, that is I will tell you one score, that cards you should take. Okay, if you are taking that much of cards, you will be winning the game, otherwise you will fail the game. Okay, Now let's see. I will tell you the score of Achu. Achu should score 3140. Okay. So if Achu should win the game, which all cards and how many cards she should take? Yes, the score Usha has given was 3140. Okay. So if Achu is taking only the assigned cards, okay, and only 8 cards can Achu take. So how will she win the game? Yes, if she is getting 3000 is there, then which all number? Yes, 100 is there, then 4 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so that the red card means she will be getting 1000 points and green 100 points, blue 10 and yellow 1 point. Okay, so if she is taking 3 red cards, 1 green card, 4 blue cards and no yellow cards, she will be getting this score. Okay, so she was trying, and one more thing, each person can try 3 times. Okay, so this was one more condition which was added was each person can try 3 attempts will be there. Okay, within 3 attempts they should get this much score. Okay, so Achu has taken 3 red cards, 1 green card, 4 blue card and no yellow cards. So in the second attempt she has scored the marks which Usha told. Okay, now the next person was Joni. Joni was also assigned some marks, that is 2303 points he should get. Okay, if he should get 2303 points, what would cards and how many cards should he take? Yes, just try, just think and say. If Joni should get 2303 points, which all cards and how many cards he should take? Yes, since 2 is in the thousands place, he should take 2 red cards. Then 3 is in the, yes, 3 is in the hundreds place, so he should take 3 green cards. Then 0 is in the tens place, so he should take no blue cards, and 3 is in the ones place, so that is he should take 3 yellow cards. Then he will be winning this game. And Rani should get 3122 points and Jaya should get 2006 points. Okay, so students, shall you tell which all cards and how many cards they Rani and Jaya should take to win this game? Yes, just think and say. Yes, very good. Yes, Rani should take 3 red cards, 1 green card and 2 blue card and 2 yellow cards. And what about Jaya? Yes, Jaya should take 2 red cards and 6 yellow cards. Okay, very good. Everyone got the correct answers. Okay. So students, in the situations you cannot play this game with your friends, but when the school reopens, okay, after this the situation, you will go to the school. So there you shall play this game and you should defeat your friends. So by the time you can play with your family, ask your mama, papa and your brothers and sisters to come with you and you should play this game. Okay, so with this we can wind up this class. So you have learned through a simple game. Okay, so we can see you on next class. So be safe at home. Okay, bye.
Classroom.